Welcome to my boring vlog. So right now what I'm going to do is my mom ordering going to buy brush paint and Christmas light. So only two items that going to buy right now for the household things. So yeah, it's very nice to get that because sometimes I cannot go around in the go around in my area because I don't have any money to to refill this gasoline. I don't have to refill this because I don't have any money to refilling the gasoline. So yeah, so just right now I can able to going go around what area that I'm going to do is, yeah, it's a little bit very nice and not totally boring. Oops, I have pimples. Oh my god, my face are full of pimples. Look at that, guys. Oh, my pimples, guys. Oh my god, it's so very ugly. Oh my god, pimples. Anyway, so yeah, that I'm going to do. So I'm just waiting here at the back. There, right there is. So it will be open around, right, what time is it? Around 9 a.m. So right now I am the early bird of to this month. Right now it's 7:57. So I've got free time 1 hour and half hours here. So yeah, it's pretty dumb actually. Pretty dumb. Okay, I'll be right back and hopefully we can see you together. So this video will be cut and the next slide. Peace. Oh, I see the big fish up right there, which means very yummy. I think that fish is tuna. There have big fish with tuna. I don't know what color. I think that it's bluefin tuna or yellowfin tuna. So yeah, which means very yummy to fry cook. Yum. Kane to eat. Utang ate. Snack, guys. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yeah. Very yummy. So yeah, done eating and I'm going home.